Alright guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic morning, day, or evening, however, whatever time it is that we're meeting. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass your heater core on, for today's instance, is my 89 Fox Body Mustang. I noticed it was leaking this morning, and you know, it's the weekend. I'm not going to the shop to deal with this. My shop's an hour and 20 minutes away, so I've decided to just do a little bypass. I'm going to show you how to do that with a couple bucks and a screwdriver. Let's get into it. So a quick trip to O'Reilly's netted me a set of hose clamps, a huge vacuum plug, and a heater hose Y. I'm going to unplug the two hoses off the firewall, plug them into that, cap that with one of these, clamp it, clamp those, and bypass heater core. We are good to go. Alright, so I got my Y pulled out of the package. I've got one of these big vacuum plug ports. Let's see, it's about, you know, size you can stick your pinky in there maybe, but it doesn't really matter. It just matters that you can fit it on to here. So I'm going to go ahead and jam that on there pretty good. Probably is going to take two hands. Okay, so now that we've got that on there nice and tight, we're going to take one of the larger hose clamps I grabbed. I'm sure that's large enough. Wow. My filming is terrible. I apologize for that. Thing you're going to want to do is have something parked with the front end facing down. Maybe you don't have that surface. If you have a jack, you can jack up the back, and all that's going to do is basically just help all the coolant be on this side of what you're doing, be downhill of what you're doing, so that you're not creating a big mess. I'm fortunate enough to unfortunately have a kind of sloped driveway. But anyway, it's working out for me in this instance. So when you do that, then you come into the engine bay, and your heater core is going to be located on your firewall, and that's going to be on the passenger side. So just look up here. This is the firewall of the vehicle, the big bulkhead right here. There's going to be two hoses like this going in there. Just look for it. All vehicles are going to have it, the same sort of setup. They'll have hose clamps on them. This is an 89 Mustang, so it has these styled. So 8mm 5/16 with a flat tip. Just a kind of normal old school hose clamp. They might have something like this. They might have a quick connect fitting depending on what type of vehicle you have. Anyway, so you're just going to get those off. I've already pulled one side off, and of course I've already loosened up these clamps as well. So all I've got to do now is pull that one off, and we're going to basically just loop those two hoses by using this device we've created, and we're just going to plug those hoses into these inputs and clamp them, and we will be good to go. So there we go, folks. It's not pretty, but it is done with about 10 bucks and a flat tip screwdriver. Anyway, my shop is about an hour and 20 minutes or so away from my house. Pretty much straight shot down the highway. But it's all good. And now I don't have to be concerned. I can go to the Fox Body meetup tomorrow, Fox Body of OKC, and you know, enjoy. Alright, that wraps it up for us today, guys. I hope this has helped you out in some sort of way. Even if you don't have a Mustang and you've come across this video, I hope it helps you fix whatever issue you're dealing with. That's it. Thanks a bunch for watching, guys. I hate to even say this and ask, but I'm really trying to grow the channel, and I'd like to continue to do this and kind of move forward with it. I'm pretty committed to doing so. So if you guys could do me a favor and give this video a like if it was helpful to you, and if you like this sort of stuff, give us a subscribe button, you know, give it a click, and yeah, just come back and check out some of my other videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.